Lay. What's up? Yeah. Yeah.
Kane is in the building.
Yeah! Alright, already the show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up, the show goes on. Alright, already the show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up, the show goes on.
Have you ever had the feeling that you was being had? Don't that shit that make you mad? They treat you like a slave, put chains all on your soul and put whips up on your back. They be lying through they teeth, hope you slip up off your path. I don't switch up, I just laugh, put my kicks up on they desk, unaffected by they threats. Then get busy on they ass. See, that's how that Chateau made me, that's how my daddy raised me. That glittering may not be gold, don't let nobody play me. If you are my homeboy, you never have to pay me. Go and put your hands up, when times is hard you stand up. LUP the man, cause a brand that the fans trust. So even if they ban us, they'll never slow my plans up.
Already the show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up.
Should I get an ASB card or not?
Why should I swing it like that? Come on. Because in fact, on me it might not attract this, or you can get with that. You can get with this, or you can get with that. You can get with this, or you can get with that. I think you get with this, cause this is where it's at. You can get with this, or you can get with that. You can get with this, or you can get with that. You can get with this, or you can get with that. I think you get with this, cause this is kind of fat. Do, da, dippity. Come on.
Likes to shove and push his weight around. He even knocked down your books and laughed when you tripped and fell down. He really thinks he's funny, he thinks he's a big deal. Cause a bully never thinks of how his actions makes others feel.
Flash mob, main quad, 12 o'clock, freshman first day. Woo! Gonna show these kids what Santa Fe's all about. Let's go!
Did you get the text from 41411?
What's that?
It's ASB. It's text messages sent to your phone on oncoming school events. Figure it out!
Oh my gosh!
Oh, Georgie!
Dude, and like this one time, I swear, she was with his best friend.
I got a text from 41411 saying that we should go to the game tonight at Pioneer.
Yeah, you wanna go?
Yeah, it's totally free with an ASB card.
Oh yeah? Dude, do you think this is like your trash can or something?
Well,
Cause it isn't.
Need a moment.
Well, it's cause I wanted to ask you to the football game tonight.
Oh, well, let's go.
Guess I'm the only one picking up trash tonight?
Sometimes it's better to let others go first, so that we can learn from their experiences.
Hey guys, look at what my boyfriend gave me, but I don't really like chocolate. Oh, I'll test it for you. Here, let me see.
Oh my god, Caesar, I'm so scared. Go check it out.
Oh, hey, Joseph.
What's up?
What are you buying?
I'm buying homecoming tickets.
Me too. Do you have an ASB card?
No.
I do. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough. Go ahead and go before me.
Alright, thanks.
You're welcome. Just go.
Hi, how can I help you?
Can I get a pair of homecoming tickets?
Oh, do you have an ASB card?
No.
Well, that'll be $150.
What?
Oh my god, what the?
Thank you. And here are your tickets.
500? Hi, can I have 2 homecoming tickets?
Do you have an ASB card?
Yeah.
Well, that'll only be $50.
Oh my gosh, here.
Here you go.
Thank you.
No problem. Hi, Kevin.
Hi, Hannah.
Hi. What's up?
Oh, nothing much. I'm just trying to find a date for homecoming. It's so hard.
Me too. There's this guy. I really want him to ask me. He's tall, dark, and handsome, and he has the voice of an angel.
Really? Oh my god.
Hannah, is that him?
Oh my gosh, that is him. That is him.
All right, man. Do this. Ready? You ready for this, man?
Oh my god, guys, he's coming!
Be cool.